We're Immobiliser fitting this is a Starline S9 alarm system fitted to this brand new 2024 facelifted Porsche Cayenne. So we have the Starline app here for this S9. If we lock the vehicle, you'll see it update. In a second, when it comes from the server, we've got a bubble around the vehicle, meaning it's secure. If someone hit, lifted or towed this vehicle, forced one of the doors open, the alarm's gonna sound. You'll see the app update, and we're also going to get a phone call on the customer's phone to let us know someone's attempted the vehicle. This gives you time to react, and you'll also hear why the vehicle's going off. Disarm through the app.
Arm alarm system. Central lock closed. Engine stopped. Shock sensor activated. Dial 0.
There we go. We know why it's gone off. Also in the app, you can see that the system has gone off and activated. If the customer wants to drive this system also has an immobiliser. So if someone copied the key, went to steal the vehicle and popped it into gear, the car's just going to turn straight back off. You're going to get no errors on the dash like other systems. Pop it into gear, the car just simply switches off. For the customer, they can either have a phone in their pocket, optional Bluetooth tags that hang on the keys, or they can pop a code in. When this blue light goes out after they put the code in, the vehicle's going to be disarmed and they can drive it and go where they need to go. As we said, this customer also opted for anti-hijack. So on this, say someone dragged you out the car once you've disarmed it, they've got your car, they're driving away, you can go into your app, hold down the anti-hijack. You're going to have to confirm it because you can only turn this off with a 4-digit override. We'll send that command and you'll see, once it's sent, the car's going to go mad. We're going to be unable to drive it any further. So you see we go to drive off, or while we're driving, as long as we're at a safe speed, the vehicle's going to cut out and it's not going any further. You can either disable it through the app or with the button with a unique 4-digit override, and you're also going to hear from the phone call the vehicle's come to a standstill. So we'll just pop the 4-digit override code in. In this time the vehicle's not going to start at all. Key not detected, it's not going any further. You hear the status? You can see we've got the key here. Key not detected, it's not going any further. We'll pop in our 4-digit override code using the button or the app, and you'll see the system disarms, and we can now drive the vehicle home. Once we've got to it, we know the vehicle's safe, we can start it up and drive away. We're getting another call just to confirm that everything's okay, the vehicle's running again, and we're good to get it home. This has tilt, motion and shock, so if the vehicle's hit, lifted or moved, you're also going to get a phone call. It can be paired to a phone, so when your Bluetooth's in the vehicle, Bluetooth phone, you see it's connected. You can also have a tag. This customer has 2 tags as well. So we unlock it, start it. We see there's no blue light because the system's disarmed using the phone or the tags, and we can drive away. This lock using the factory key. We can also unlock through the app. So if we grab the phone from anywhere in the world, vehicle unlocks and we can hop in. You can also lock it through the app, and once it's set, if someone tries to apply a force to it, it's going to go off, it's going to call you, and it's going to update in the app. You can also see mileage, fuel, battery level. If the system's now set, the alarm's going off, the app's updated, and you'll see in a second the phone's going to ring. Someone's attacked the vehicle. This also has tracking, so if we zoom in on here, you'll be able to see where it is. We can go and see history and all sorts on the app. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.